Hey there, science fans! Have you ever thought one beverage could hold the keys to a healthier, sharper you? Well, get ready to discover the incredible power of green tea. We're diving deep into 5 surprising benefits of green tea that might just make you put down that sugary soda and reach for a steaming cup. Get ready to explore the science behind this ancient elixir and learn how it can boost your brain power, help you slim down, and even fight off disease. Okay, let's talk about that brain of yours. Green tea isn't just a warm drink, it's like a little tune-up for your mental engine. Why? Because it's got this dynamic duo, caffeine and L-theanine. Caffeine, it's like the jumpstart for your brain, right? But L-theanine, that's the cool cucumber. It promotes relaxation without making you sleepy. Studies show that together, they can sharpen your focus and boost your memory. Imagine your brain firing on all cylinders, smoothly and efficiently. That's the power of green tea. And researchers have the brain scans to prove it. They've seen how green tea improves activity in areas of the brain related to memory and attention. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind: weight management. Believe it or not, green tea can be your secret weapon. It's not about magic, it's about science. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, and one in particular called EGCG is a real superstar. EGCG helps boost your metabolism, which is like turning up the thermostat on your body's fat-burning furnace. Think of it this way: your body is constantly burning calories, even at rest. Green tea can give that calorie-burning engine a little extra oomph. Studies have shown that green tea can increase fat oxidation, which is just a fancy way of saying it helps your body break down fat more efficiently. So drink up and watch those pounds melt away. Okay, get ready to be amazed, because green tea isn't just good for your body and mind, it might even help you fight off serious diseases. Imagine sipping on a warm, soothing cup of green tea and knowing that you're doing something wonderful for your health. That's right, those powerful antioxidants we talked about, those catechins, they're like little warriors fighting off damage in your body. These catechins are incredibly potent, and they work tirelessly to protect your cells from harm. Free radicals, they're like tiny troublemakers that can damage your cells and lead to all sorts of health problems, even cancer. These unstable molecules can wreak havoc on your body, causing oxidative stress and contributing to the aging process. But antioxidants, they're like the superheroes that neutralize those troublemakers. They swoop in to stabilize free radicals, preventing them from causing further damage. It's like having a personal army of defenders inside your body. Studies have linked green tea consumption to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal cancer. Researchers are continually discovering new ways that green tea can benefit our health. It's not a guarantee, of course, but it's pretty amazing to think that something as simple as a cup of tea could make such a big difference. So, next time you enjoy a cup of green tea, remember that you're not just indulging in a delicious beverage, you're also giving your body a powerful boost. Did you know that green tea can even give your pearly whites a reason to smile? Yes, you heard that right. Green tea is not just a refreshing beverage, it's a secret weapon for your dental health. Yep, it's true. Those amazing catechins we keep talking about, they're not just good for your body, they're good for your mouth too. These powerful antioxidants can help protect your teeth and gums. Think of your mouth as an ecosystem. Just like any ecosystem, balance is key. You want to maintain a healthy environment where good bacteria can thrive and bad bacteria are kept at bay. You want the good bacteria to thrive and the bad bacteria to stay away. This balance is crucial for preventing dental issues like cavities and gum disease. Well, green tea can help with that. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you can support this delicate balance in your mouth. The catechins in green tea have antibacterial properties, which means they can help fight off the bad bacteria that can cause cavities and gum disease. This makes green tea a natural ally in your oral hygiene routine. So not only can green tea help you maintain a healthy body, it can also help you maintain a healthy smile. Imagine sipping on a cup of green tea and knowing you're doing something great for your teeth. Now that's something to smile about. So next time you brew a cup of green tea, remember, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're also taking a step towards better dental health. Now, let's talk about something really important: type 2 diabetes. This condition affects millions of people worldwide, and managing it can be quite challenging. It's a serious condition, but green tea might be able to help. Green tea has been consumed for centuries and is known for its numerous health benefits. Here's the science behind it. Your body needs insulin to help regulate your blood sugar levels. Insulin is a hormone that allows your cells to absorb glucose from your bloodstream. But sometimes your cells become resistant to insulin, and that's when things can get out of whack. This insulin resistance leads to higher blood sugar levels, which can cause various health issues. Green tea, however, can actually improve your insulin sensitivity. This means that your cells respond better to insulin, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. That means your cells become better at using insulin, which helps keep your blood sugar levels in check. This can be particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Studies have shown that people who drink green tea regularly may have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The antioxidants in green tea, such as catechins, play a significant role in this. It's not a cure, but it's a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your overall health and well-being. So there you have it, science fans. 5 surprising benefits of green tea that might just make you want to brew a cup right now. From boosting your brain power to protecting you from disease, green tea is a true gift from nature. Remember, it's not a magic potion, but it's a simple and delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. So go ahead, raise a glass to your health, and don't forget to share the science. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me which benefit surprised you the most. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know the 7 best foods you should eat to increase your sperm count, watch the video on your screen next. And as always, stay curious.